My advice for every woman out there is that in this 2025, you need to make a change and make a difference. And one of the difference you're going to do is to work on yourself. This is 2025. The year just started and you have a lot of things to do. You are the only person that can make a change in your life. Not your husband, not your children, but you. If in 2024 you were doing nothing, please, in 2025, don't try it. You are having problem with your husband today because a lot of men are moved by what they see, not what they hear. Try and make a difference in your life this year. Don't be a liability to any man. No man wants to have a liability in the house. Even though they don't tell it to your face, in one way or the other, through their attitude, by joke, they will put it out to you. So as a wise person, make use of your time now. Don't be that woman that go to and fro on the internet without making use of your time. There are so many things that you can do to empower yourself. One of those things, try to learn a skill. Try to do something. Try to acquire knowledge from the internet that when you put out there, people will be willing to pay. So I have decided, because there's so many things I saw in the life of so many women in 2024, and I said, no, it's our time. I help the ones that are really willing to help themselves. So the year just started. From the 1st of February, I'm going to be doing a free training class. I repeat, it's not a paid class. I'm going to be doing a free training class for anyone that wants to learn how to bake. I will teach you how to bake cake. I will teach you how to make meat pie. I will teach you how to make egg roll. I want to start with those 3 snacks first, because it's what I have, I can give to you. What I don't have, I can't give it to you. And a lot of people will say, why is she teaching them for free? I believe that every one of us have our different community. Every one of us have our different people. If peradventure I teach you how to make meat pie, egg roll, or cake, you will have your own community that want to patronize you. I will have my own community that will love to patronize me. Do you understand me? So the moment you start learning how to bake cake snacks, you can start making profit out of it. I really want a lot of women to take their to put them out from this bondage, because a lot of women out there sometimes they want to buy something, but because they don't have the funds, please don't mind my voice, because they don't have the financial ability to do it, they become used by men. They become demoralized by the kind of words that comes out from their mouth. So please, now I am willing to help you. Your own is to get your things ready, and we'll start. And most of the classes we're going to be doing is going to be on a live class. I repeat, it's not going to be a pre-recorded video. It's going to be on a live class, which I will come on live. I will tell you everything you need to do. We'll do it step by step. Step by step. Then when you are done making your own recipe, you cannot send it to me and see if it came well. Please, I am begging. If you are a woman, try and help yourself this year. If you can bake cake, you can bake snacks, you can be taken to African shop, you can be taken to your church. Your friends' children want to do birthday, you can tell them, I can bake. Oh, if others are collecting a certain amount of money, you can reduce the amount just for you to be more professional in that job you are doing. So you're going to follow me on my YouTube. You're going to put on that bell so that whenever I upload and I come on live, you'll be the first to be notified. And for every class we're going to be doing, I'm going to bring in a poster. So if you're not following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook. My name is Sylvia Magic on Facebook, or Sylvia Ide, my profile. This 2025, we must make that change, and that change must start with us.